Welcome to my YouTube channel ELIP for All Mean English Learning Institute program. I hope you like my video. If you like my video,
Difference between conjunctions and prepositions. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used to connect clauses, sentences, or words within the same sentence. Their primary purpose is to show relationships like addition, contrast, or cause and effect. Types of conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions e.g., and, but, or. 2. Subordinating conjunctions e.g., because, although, if. 3. Correlative conjunctions e.g., either, or, neither, nor. Examples of conjunctions. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. She stayed home because she was feeling unwell. Either you apologize, or I will leave. Prepositions. Prepositions are words used to show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other parts of the sentence, usually indicating direction, place, time, or cause. Common prepositions. Time, at, on, in. Place, under, over, beside. Direction, to, into, towards. Examples of prepositions. The book is on the table. We will meet at 6 p.m. She is walking towards the park. Dash dash dash. Key differences. Key rule. A conjunction connects, while a